Under that cover is the one and only Aurora Infinitum Phantom. There is no other car on this planet with this paint. We have been inside this factory for 3 weeks. We filmed every step. Everything you just watched happened in that order. This is the Aurora Infinitum Phantom, the world's only.
This is the Goodwood factory. Rolls-Royce builds roughly 6,000 cars a year here. Every single one is hand-built. It starts in there.
One thing before we start, subscribe. This video took 3 weeks inside this factory to film. If you want to see how the world's most expensive cars are actually built, this channel is where you come. This is the Goodwood factory. Rolls-Royce builds roughly 6,000 cars a year here. Every single one is hand-built. It starts in there.
Stack's looking good, Assum. Nice clean cuts, no edge burr. Coming up on shift target in about 40 minutes. She's running well today.
That arm's been running 8 hours straight without a miss, not one placement off.
Vacuum cups are new this week. Makes a difference. Listen to that pop, full suction every time.
Character line depth is good. Clean. No spring back on this one.
Very slight mark here at the lower DLO. Measuring 0.4 micron. Below the reject threshold, stays in. Mark it for reinspection after paint. Bonnet first, then near side door, then offside. Same order every time.
Foam sitting right on this one?
Yeah, clear of the edge. Good to go. Leg size 5.5. Cap is flat, no undercut. Penetration looks good. Yeah, that's clean. That's what the Aurora needs. 14 vat, 15 vat hold. Tricky geometry here at the corner tatted. Need to get the throat in cleanly. There, 16. Bottom flange done.
Position 23, amber on first read. Reprobing. Reread is green. Coupling issue on the first contact. Carrying on. Dart all 4 by hand before you torque any of them. Every time.
Flange width is 4 millimeters, consistent all the way round, within tolerance. Good. This door's on its second pass now, 90 seconds and it's done. Body serial AU001, that's the Aurora. It's going into paint.
9 layers. They've never done 9 before.
They've never made this color before either.
Bath temperature is 35 degrees, pH is 3.2. Right in the window. Get this wrong and the paint fails. Years from now, on a 2 million pound car.
Rectifier holding at 250 amps, 280 volts. Deposition rate is nominal, 4 minutes in. Body comes out at 12. This coat goes everywhere.
Ring compressor tight, guide the piston straight. If it goes in off angle, you can nick a ring on the bore entry chamfer, feel it past the rings. There, she's home. Easy now, watch the journal alignment on your side.
I have it. Coming down, slow.
She is down, all journals seated. Listen to that. That is how a crankshaft should feel when you turn it by hand.
If you do not mark them, you cannot verify the sequence was followed. On a V12 going into a 2 million pound car, you verify everything. Bank 1 complete.
Oil feed, copper washer each side of the banjo. Torque to 12 Newton meters, enough to seal the copper washer. 12, good. Connecting the intercooler pipes next.
Engine running, oil pressure coming up, nominal at 4.2 bar, coolant temperature rising normally. This engine sounds perfect at idle. Load test passing, cleared for the Aurora. Brake lines routed and clipped, all 4 corners labeled AU001. Correct build. Loom is seated and clipped all the way to the A-pillar feed.
1, 2, 3, all 12 in the prescribed cross sequence. If you skip the sequence, you risk introducing stress concentration. 12, body marriage torque is complete. Air spring top mount, 4 bolts, 40 Newton meters each. This system works with the CDC damper, and the damping rate adjusts electronically every few milliseconds.
Offside mount coming in first. Watch the near side stud on your side. Don't let it contact the bulkhead. Easy.
Gun up and final torque. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marked 140 Newton meters.
5 meters, 1 stroke, no ruler, the line is straight, width is consistent. On this paint, the color shifts underneath. Tanzanite pigment, 242 milligrams per liter of binder. This ratio took 4 months of development to get right. Watch the liquid as it moves.
Arm 1 coverage looks even on the near side. Arm 2, I want to see the lower quarter pass again on replay.
This is the moment we've been working toward for 4 months. This color has never touched a car before. This is the very first application.
9 layers of clear lacquer, each one hand polished before the next is applied. This is 5 times the standard clear coat build. The Tanzanite crystal sits in the base coat.
The knife does the work, you just guide it. Consistent pressure throughout the cut. If you slow down at a curve, the edge will show it. Keep moving. 6/10. You can feel it just barely between your fingers. At 6/10, 2 panels join flat. Thicker than that and your seams stand proud. Face side is untouched. Exactly right.
8 stitches per 10 centimeters. Consistent tension, not too tight or the leather puckers. Gold on black, this contrast only works if the stitching is perfect.
Base firm, mid-layer softer, crown memory foam. Click. That is seated correctly. Good resilience rate. The client will be in this seat on long journeys.
Hold on, I need to even pull across the entire front edge before you start clipping. Ready?
Ready. Holding.
Don't release yet. 3 more across the front, stay on it.
1,800 fibers, each one individually, by hand. This pattern is the Andromeda Galaxy, not a random star field.
Look match is excellent. Look at this figure running right through the centerline hay. When this panel is finished and polished, it will look like a single piece of wood that happens to be perfectly symmetrical. Every material in this interior was chosen for the Aurora commission specifically. The leather species, the thread color, the...
Slow, hold. Near side front pin is in, off side front in. Rear pin's coming down, in. She is on.
1, 2, 3. All 12 in the prescribed cross sequence. If you skip the sequence, you risk introducing stress concentration. 12. Body marriage torque is complete.
Offside mount coming in first. Watch the near side stud on your side. Don't let it contact the bulkhead. Easy.
Air spring top mount, 4 bolts, 40 Newton meters each. This system works with the CDC damper, and the damping rate adjusts electronically every few milliseconds.
Gun up and final torque. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marked 140 Newton meters.
Gold thread registration is precise. The violet fill is coming in cleanly. Look at the transition from the gold outline to the fill. No gap.
The fit line between the maple and the ebony, 0 gap. Run your fingernail across it, completely flat, nothing. Cabinet making techniques from 2 centuries ago.
Clock set to GMT. It will maintain accurate time for 40 hours on its power reserve without any external winding. Bezel in. Retained. Clock is running.
Watch the color shift in the areas I have already polished versus the areas ahead of me. The polished side, look at the depth and the shift range.
Verbal confirmation from each zone. 0 defects is the target. This car goes to a client.
Near side exterior, all sections passing.
Confirmed. Continue. 8 minutes complete. No ingress on any monitored seal point. The Aurora is watertight.
A transcription for this 8-second video is: camera calibration complete, target recognition locked.
Powertrain is smooth, power delivery completely linear, no hesitation at any point. Air suspension, I know this test surface has significant imperfections and I cannot feel any of them.
3 weeks from first raw steel to this moment. Every person in this factory who touched this car, press shop, body shop, paint, trim shop,
Everything you just watched happened in that order. From raw aluminum coil to this, under that cover. This is the Aurora Infinitum Phantom. There she is.
Sinks. Midnight obsidian leather. Aurora gold thread, 8 stitches every 10 centimeters by hand.
If this is the first Industrial Vista video you have watched, subscribe. We film the world's most exceptional manufacturing processes, and we get access that no other channel gets.
There goes AU001, batch schon one.
Only one of those in the world.
Only one.
Commission AU001, Aurora Infinitum. 1 car, 1 color,